Hello guys, welcome to the 22nd session of using Microsoft Boat Framework, GUIs and Cognitive Services tutorials for beginners. In this session, we will learn how to publish boat in Cortana. From Channel tab, click on Cortana. To publish Cortana boat, we need to use Knowledge Store, which is also created by Microsoft. Using this, we can create an entity, boat services and renderer. Previously, boat service directly interacts with Cortana skills, but recently Microsoft changes it and makes compulsory to use Knowledge Store. However, it will make Cortana skill in the background. Scroll down to bottom and click on Register button appear under Discovery and Management. And click on Skip. Here we need to give organization name. Knowledge Store organizes all things under organization name. I am using Tutorials Team as a name. Click on Next. Here, our organization is created. From here, we can create new entity, boatlet, service or renderer. However, in this series, I will use Azure Boat Service for that. So let's switch back to the Azure portal and refresh this page. And again click on Cortana. Now organization that we have created occurs under the drop-down. Select it and click on Register. After registration, click on Manage button. Here you can see that under our organization, we have one boatlet named MyBoat123. From discoverability, we can change basic information about this boat. From publish, we can publish boat with other user or even world. By default, it will be published to our account. Click on Edit. From here, we can change icon for the boat, the name of Cortana scheme, as well as invocation name that will be used to open this boat in Cortana. I am using my new app. You can choose appropriately. If our boat requires user data such as name, email, time zone, etc., then select it and click on Publish. Let us switch to Azure portal. Here all things are read-only, so we cannot edit it. We need to use Knowledge Store to edit those details. However, we can delete both from here. Let us test it in Cortana. To open boat, we need to say talk to your boat invocation name or open boat invocation name. Here I need to say open my new app. I am logged in with the same email ID in which we have created Cortana skill. So it comes and asks for permissions. Allow it. You can see that it was asking name as we have designed our boat. Let us see what we have learned in this session. First of all, we added Cortana configuration and we created organization in the Knowledge Store. After creating an organization, we need to update it in boat service. From Knowledge Store, we can manage name, invocation and icon for this boat. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.